So we do such experiments 729 times, that is, this is capital N. So the total probability becomes 729 into this probability, one experiment probability. So we get 233. This is called binomial frequency distribution. We see the next example. Here, in a binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials, that means n equal to 5, probability of 1 and 2 successes are 0.4096, 0.2048 respectively. So probability of 1 success means probability of x equal to 1, probability of 2 successes means probability of x equal to 2 given. So what is the question? Find the parameter p of the distribution. So we are calculating 2 divided by 1. We are taking 2 divided by 1. Probability of x equal to 1 by the formula 5c1 p q power 4, p of x equal to 2 by the formula 5c2 p square qq equal to the same value. So after calculating this, we can get p value as 0.2. So in this problem, 5 independent trials, so we take n equal to 5, probability of 1 success, probability of 2 successes are given. So we find parameter p. So we go for the next example. So here the problem is, out of 800 families with 4 children each, how many families would be expected to have 2 boys or 2 girls, no girl, at most 2 girls. So it is also binomial frequency distribution, in which small n equal to 4, capital N equal to 800. So here 4 children of each family has 4 children. These are the successes. This is R, it indicates R values. 4 children indicates n equal to 4. Such families are 800, right? So capital N equal to 800. So this is called binomial frequency distribution. So n equal to 4, capital N 800. So there is only 2 choices, boy or girl. So there will be equal probabilities. Probability of boy 1 by 2, probability of girl 1 by 2. So we are taking boy as success. So we take this as small p. The first question is the probability of 2 boys or 2 girls. So probability of 2 boys or 2 girls means number of success. 2 boys ante r equal to 2 plus probability of 2 girls. That means 2 girls means nothing but 2 boys. So here also r equal to 2. By using binomial distribution formula, we can calculate this value. And finally, this is for one family. For 800 families, we have to multiply this answer with 800, so we can get final answer. Similarly, the next one is probability of no girl. No girl means all boys. So all boys means r equal to 4. There are, for each family there are 4 children. So we get r equal to 4. All boys means 4 children are boys. So r equal to 4 by using the binomial distribution 4c4 1 by 2 power 4.